What's good, YouTube? Welcome to the Ballers Club. It's your boy Baller Firebird, the one and only Mr. Baller Fire, the one and only Mr. Do It All, the one and only Mr. Everything Under the Sun will get done because your boy is best beyond. Listen, man, I got a topic for y'all today, and we're finna go ahead and get right into it, man, because we're recapping on what I talked about yesterday about procrastination. I know procrastination affects a lot of us, man. It affects a lot of us. I was honest and I was transparent to y'all about how it has honestly affected me in my life and the things that I'm trying to achieve in my life. So I wanted to make sure that I spoke on that because I came across something today, actually this morning, where I reread the 12 Universal Laws of Success, and I have it right here. I have the book already open so I can talk to y'all about exactly what I want to talk to y'all. But I reread the 12 Universal Laws of Success from cover to cover this morning, page 1 all the way into page 210. So it took me about 3.5 hours. But I got to chapter 11, the 11th Universal Law of Success, which is the law of persistence. And I'm honestly upset that I hadn't reread this book, or at least remembered to write that specific piece down, because inside of the 11th Universal Law of Success, the law of persistence, it speaks a lot about procrastination. But nonetheless, I'm thankful to God that he allowed me to, come across this again. I'm thankful to God that he allowed me to, revisit this topic, revisit this specific chapter in the book, whereas I've honestly been reading other books until today. So it was just something that I wanted to do because I feel like I need to get back on the track of just becoming successful. So I reread the 12 Universal Laws of Success. With me saying that, I want to read y'all a piece of the book where it talks about what it is that really spoke to me this morning. And then I want to kind of, give y'all my thoughts, but honestly just let y'all just be able to meditate on that. So today is not going to be a long video. I'm going to read this, give a few of my thoughts, and then we're going to get out of here for today. And because at the end of the day, we're procrastinating even just watching this video. But nonetheless, the things that I'm talking about, hopefully it'll help somebody. So let me go ahead and read what it said today. So it says this is under the obstacles to persistence. Obstacles to persistence. And the 3 obstacles are the fear of criticism, the fear of failure, and the habit of procrastination. So I'm going to read to you exactly what it says. The habit of procrastination is the #1 cause of failure. For example, you can recognize the value of persistence, but procrastinate in getting started practicing persistence. Everything that happens in the world is being done right now in the present. The only time to take action on your goals and vision is now. Whatever happens tomorrow is already determined by what you do or do not do today. If you procrastinate and put off until tomorrow what should have been done today, then you have already impacted tomorrow, which could only have been changed today. Man, oh man, oh man. Let me stop there before I continue on. So pretty much it talks about how everything that we want to do, we have to be doing it now. We're not going to get any of these seconds back, any of these minutes back. Even just watching this video alone, like I said, we're not going to get any of this time back. But me speaking on this subject, I'm not going to get any of this time back. But nonetheless, I feel like I have to be able to bring this to y'all. And the reason why I say that is because I literally said that in the video that I posted yesterday. I spoke about how, whenever we're doing something or not doing something, it's our fault. Or not in the video that I made yesterday, but the video that I made when I said everything is our fault. Whether we do something or don't do something, it's our fault. Whether we do something or don't do something, we will still reap the benefits or the consequences of doing or not doing what it is that we should be doing. So I want to go back right quick, and it says, give me 1 second. Whatever happens tomorrow is already determined by what you do or do not do today. So when I read that, it makes me think about how we got things that we know we should be doing today. Whether it's getting up, go making some money. Whether it's getting up, going to go work out. We will feel the impact of our decisions tomorrow and the following days, all because of what we did or did not do today. So I can make tomorrow easier on me, or I can make it harder on me. I can not do something today and have to add it to my schedule tomorrow. Or I can do it today, get it knocked out, and then hopefully, honestly, get ahead of something and not have to worry about it for the rest of the week, month, or year. So I wanted to hit on that. Next, I want to speak on this. It says the next paragraph. It says procrastination is the thief of time. Persistence is built through continuous action. Procrastination is built through continuous inaction. And I want to stop there because remember how just yesterday, now that's something that really like stuck out to me. Procrastination is built over time through continuous inaction. Remember how I said yesterday, everything is like a muscle. Everything in our life is a muscle. If we do something versus what we don't do, it's a muscle. If I lay in bed and I know that I have to get up, but I choose to stay in bed, I'm working on the muscle of saying, okay, you know what, I'm going to be lazy. As opposed to working on the muscle that says, you know what, Bird, get your ass up and go get this done. So everything is a muscle. It says, where there is no purposeful action through procrastination or otherwise, there can be no persistence and thus no success. You strengthen the habit of procrastination. Think about the word that he says. You strengthen the habit of procrastination. The only thing you can strengthen is a muscle. It's a muscle. It's a muscle. It's a muscle. You strengthen or you get weaker or something gets weakened by whatever you do or don't do. If I use my muscles every day by working out, they will get stronger. They will be strengthened. If I don't use my muscles every day, they will get weaker. You see what I'm saying? So when I say these things, like I said, using these muscles, i.e. persistence as opposed to procrastination, we'll be able to get the things done that we need to get done. But if we continue to sit around, lay around, and only strengthen our muscle of procrastination, that muscle becomes too strong for us to even handle. So I want to say this last thing. It says you strengthen the habit of procrastinating when you put off making decisions until it's time to take action. Fail to keep track of your time and postpone unpleasant tasks until you are in a crisis or critical situation. God, I'm so thankful that I read this again today. Remember, I literally just spoke about this yesterday, about how I have a habit of being so good under pressure that I will wait until I'm under pressure to try to get something done. It literally just said a lot of times we will procrastinate until we are put in the position of a crisis or a situation that sometimes may be too big for us to handle. You guys, I cannot make these things up. I cannot I wanted to make sure that I hit on that. That way, y'all understand that, it's no cap in my rap. I make sure that I talk about things that are factual to me and things that I've hit on and researched. This book told it all for me, man. It told it all for me. And if y'all can hear me, I'm a little congested. My allergies are kicking my ass today. But like I said, man, it speaks for itself. It honestly speaks for itself. We have to be able to get these things done. We have to stop procrastinating, or we will continue to build the muscle of procrastinating. And it will be too strong for us to be able to overcome eventually. And we'll wither away and we'll fall down a long pitfall of not doing things and then not being able to achieve the things that we want out of life. So I wanted to make sure that I spoke on that today. And I also wanted to just one more time just leave y'all with the overall fact of we got to stop procrastinating. We have to go now. We have to get it done now. We have to make sure that whatever it is that we're trying to accomplish, do it today. Do it today, learn about it tomorrow. Do it today, learn about it tomorrow. Do it tomorrow, learn about it the day after that. Get it over with. Start now. That way you don't even have time to wait. That way you don't even have time to procrastinate. Start it now. If you want to start a YouTube, if you want to start some kind of social media, if you want to start a business, whatever the case is, start it now. Like I said, man, that's all I wanted to hit on for today. We're right at 9 minutes. My allergies are kicking my ass. I'm about to get my hair done. I got to go take a shower, all these kind of things, man. But like I said, man, let's get the things done that we need to get done. Let's stop procrastinating and let's get on our shit. Hey, man, it's your boy Ballafall Bird, and I just want to say that I appreciate you for coming to the Ballers Club. It's your boy Mr. Ballafall, your boy Mr. Do It All, your boy Mr. Everything Under the Sun will get done because your boy is West Beyond, man. And y'all know I am out.